I'm Dr. Smith, and I want to share with you how I can help you with your sciatica. Not only reduce your sciatica symptoms of radiating pain, burning, weakness, numbness, and get you out of pain quickly, but also reduce muscle spasms and increase your mobility so you can function the way you want to without discomfort and with pain, which is important. The reason for that is because in terms of your work, your activities, needing to be able to drive to work without constant numbness and tingling and burning pain in the legs, the low back, being able to function at work, doing the physical activities you need to do at work, and then coming home and not feeling extreme tingling, radiating numbness, like your legs constantly going to sleep and pain associated with that, which leads on up to when you're trying to get to sleep, laying down and feeling restless legs, radiating pain and tingling, and then tossing and turning all night, waking up not having gotten the sleep you needed, not being able to do simple things, dressing, putting on your shoes, bathing, showering. Very important. After over 9 years of experience, what I found to be the most common cause of sciatica is number 1, disc bulge, number 2, joint jamming, number 3, pinched nerves. And after over 9,000 treatments, what I found to be the most effective therapies for sciatica are 3 things. Number 1, chiropractic treatment, number 2, muscle stimulation, and number 3, therapeutic massage. Let me share with you a little bit about how chiropractic treatment works. Chiropractic detects inflamed areas of the spine, and then what happens is it decreases the pain, increases the joint space, and decreases muscle spasm, decreases pinched nerves. Number 2, the muscle stimulation is a mild form of gentle stimulating current which feels like a tingling massage. It has 3 basic effects. It acts as a nerve block to reduce your pain. It acts to reduce muscle fatigue. It acts to reduce muscle spasm. Okay. Professional licensed therapeutic massage is a gentle form of manual therapy which addresses contracted and spasming muscles. It works on the spasming muscles, it reduces pain, and it stretches the muscles to thereby reduce the muscle spasm associated with that. Okay. An example of someone who benefited from treatment, who was suffering from sciatica, was someone I know named Nathan. Nathan was a computer programmer, and through some physical work and activity trying to work out, he noticed that he had experienced pinching of nerves in the low back, which resulted in sciatica-type symptoms, burning, numbness, and tingling. And this was especially a problem in his job where he was a computer programmer, and he was not able to get any relief and did not believe there was any relief out there. After just 1 session, he saw a 40% improvement in his symptoms and was amazed at the possibility there actually was relief. After just a week of care, he was almost 90% improved, and after 2 weeks of care, he was able to sit at his computer terminal doing work on his laptop like he needed to without experiencing the restless, tingling, numbness, and burning in his legs which had plagued him until he came to our clinic for care. Now let me share with you the reasons why patients choose our clinic for care. Number 1, I'm a member of the Ohio State Chiropractic Association. As a member, I'm provided with information about the most current trends and therapies which are going to be most effective for treatment of patients. Number 2, I'm a member of the Better Business Bureau, and that's a commitment to quality and excellence for my patients. Number 3, we are the winners of the 2015 Patient's Choice Awards for chiropractors in Cincinnati. Okay. Now, if you are suffering and you're experiencing pain, I'd like to offer you our $47 new patient special. That includes 4 things. Number 1, a private consultation, which has 3 purposes. Number 1, detect the area of injury. Number 2, once I've detected the area, determine what is the most effective therapy for the area. Then number 3, having determined those 2 things, what is the most appropriate course of treatment which will allow us to get out of pain the fastest. The second part of the special includes a 4-point patient exam, which includes 4 tests. That includes number 1, range of motion testing, which will allow me to specifically determine the joints which are restricted. Number 2, nerve testing, which will allow me to determine specifically which nerves are involved. Number 3, muscle testing, which will allow me to determine specifically which muscles are involved. And then number 4, orthopedic tests, which will allow me to determine specifically which ligaments, tendons, and cartilage may be injured also. This leads us to the third component. If necessary, then I'll perform 2 x-rays of the injured area so that I can see it in greater detail and see what it looks like on the inside. And if we determine following that you are going to benefit from chiropractic services, then that leads us to the 4th component, which is 1 chiropractic treatment and also 1 therapy, which will be muscle stimulation, which, as we stated, will act to reduce pain and act to reduce muscle spasms. I'll also include a bonus. I will include 1 bottle of Biofreeze, which is an all-natural muscle pain relieving gel. Now, I also want to offer a 2-part guarantee. The first part of the guarantee is that if we find that you are not going to benefit from chiropractic services, then I'd be happy to make a referral to a specialist. And then the office visit will be no charge, but you'll be able to keep the bottle of Biofreeze. The second part of the guarantee is that if you're not satisfied with your therapy, then once again, there will be no charge for that office visit, and once again, you'll be able to keep the bottle of Biofreeze. I am limiting that to the first 10 callers within the calendar month. And the reasons for that are because of space and resources within our office. Now, if you are suffering and in pain, please call us and take advantage of our $47 new patient special. We can help you. Our number is 513-385-CARE. That's 385-2273.